Today we are going to listen a rainy day. So get ready to wait. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Lily. She loved rainy days. One morning, Lily woke up to the sound of raindrops hitting her window. She quickly got out of bed and ran to the window to look outside. The sky was grey and it was raining heavily. The trees were swaying in the wind and puddles were forming on the ground. Lily smiled. She liked how everything looked so fresh and clear when it rained. Lily decided to go outside and play in the rain. She put on her raincoat and boots and grabbed her umbrella. As she stepped outside, the cool rain splashed on her face. She laughed and jumped into a big puddle, making a big splash. She walked around her garden, watching the rain make little rivers on the ground. The flowers and plants seemed to be dancing in the rain. Lily saw some snails slowly moving along the wet grass, and she picked up a pretty stone that was shining with water. After a while, Lily's friend Mia came over with her own umbrella. They decided to play together. They jumped in puddles, make mud pies, and sang songs. The rain didn't bother them at all. In fact, it made everything more fun. When they got tired, they sat on the porch, watching the rain and listening to the soft sounds it made. They talked about their favorite rainy day activities and shared stories. Soon the rain began to stop. The sun peeked out from behind the clouds, and a beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky. Lily and Mia were amazed by the colorful sight. They knew this rainy day would be a special memory. Lily went back inside, took off her wet clothes, and dried herself. She felt happy and calm. Rainy days were her favorite because they always brought joy and a little bit of magic.